Hello, it's Chris here. Okay, I have a question for you. Have you ever wanted to either write a long email or even write a long reply to somebody in a forum and you're just thinking, gosh, I don't really have the time to kind of spend 10, 15 minutes in front of my keyboard typing everything? Wouldn't it sometimes be easier for you to be able to record an audio message and embed that message into wherever you want somebody to see your reply? Well, that's what I'm going to go through in this video. I've got something to share with you here that is so cool and so helpful and a lot of fun, and it's 100% free as well. I'm going to show you how to create an audio message, and then when you've created the message, how to embed it either into a web page or onto a forum post or even into Facebook. Now this is what I'm talking about here. I'm at my membership site, Chris Farrell Membership, and I'm actually in my forum, and I'm talking about this here. You see this? This is known as a player, and what I've done is I've recorded a message already and I've embedded the message in my forum. So if somebody comes to this particular thread, they can click on play and they can hear my message. Just saves a ton of time, and it's a really good thing to do, particularly if you're not that comfortable with making video yet, but you'd still like to have a personal message at your web page. Creating an audio message is the next best thing. So you can do exactly this. You can create an audio message from yourself with your voice and then embed this into your web page. And let me show you how easy it is to do. Now the first thing we want to do is we want to go to Google, because there's a site I want to tell you about that is called Audio Boo. Audio Boo, as it sounds, and when you click search, it will always be the first result. Here it is, Audio Boo. So let's click on this link here. Now I should just tell you, the actual site address is audioboo.fm, not .com. Audioboo.fm is this site, and this is a site that allows you to create audio and share audio. Now the very first time you come to Audioboo, you'll need to create an account. It's absolutely free. You can do that in the top right hand corner here. Just click on the create an account link, give them your name and email address, etc, etc, etc. As I say, it doesn't cost anything. Once you've created an account, log into your account. So we're in my account right now. At the top you'll see loads of tabs. One of them says my profile. When you click on my profile, you'll get an option here that says new recording. This is what we want. So let's click on new recording. Doing that, this little window will open, and it's one of the options here says got your mic ready, and this is what we want. We want to make an audio message ourselves. So we click on this button here. It will take a couple of seconds, and then we will be presented with this record console, and there's simply this big start recording button here. So let's do this. I'm going to record a message, and I'll click start recording, and then we'll embed it in a second in various places on the web. So let's start this message after 3, 2, 1. Hello, this is Chris Farrell. I'm just making a very quick test recording message using Audio Boo, and I hope that you can hear this okay. There we go. I clicked pause, so I've now paused. Now I can resume if I want, or let's assume I'm okay with that message. Then all we can do is either we can preview it, which means listen back to it, we can record it again, or if you're happy with it, click down here where it says happy, add a title. So I'm going to say I'm happy, and I'm going to type in a title to this. I'm going to call this is a test audio message. That's what I'm titling my audio recording. Let's click publish here. Now it will save your recording as a file. Depending on how long your message is will depend on how long this takes to save. Once it's been saved, you'll see at the bottom here it says after a bit of processing you'll be able to find your message here. Let's click on here, and you'll be taken to where your message is within Audioboo. Here it is. This is a test audio message, and if I click play on this, I will be able to hear my message. Now there's a few things I want to show you very quickly because I don't want this video to be too long. Firstly, over here to the right hand side, you can share this on Facebook. So let's do that very quickly. Let me click on the share button here. Another window will appear, and you get asked to type a message as you would on your wall in Facebook. So let's type in this is Chris. Look at my spelling. I've made you a message here. So that's what will appear on my wall in Facebook, and then this actual recording that we just recorded will appear below it. So let me click on share down here, and there we go. This has been successfully posted to my profile at Facebook. Let's go to Facebook. Let me refresh so we're seeing the latest version of my wall, and look at this already within seconds. This is Chris. I've made you a message here, and look, if I click play, and let me move my microphone so you can hear my speakers at home. Let me click play here. Hello, this is Chris Farrell. I'm just making a very quick test recording message using Audio Boo, and I hope that you can hear this okay. How cool is that? So that is now on my wall in Facebook, and as a result all my friends in their news feed will now see this message. So I'm actually going to delete that right now because it was just a test. Look, somebody's down here, somebody's commenting on that already. That's how quick Facebook is. Let's quickly go back to Audio Boo. What I want to show you now is how to embed this into a web page or anywhere really. To the right hand side is this embed link. Let's click on embed, and the code will appear. Here is all the code. So I'm just going to click so it's all highlighted. I'm going to copy this by pressing Ctrl+C on my keyboard. And where do you want this to be online? Do you want to embed this into a web page? Maybe you've got a website or a WordPress site, or as I mentioned earlier, a forum. Let's go to my forum, in fact. Here is my forum. Let's just quickly create a new topic. And let's just say this is a test. Now, let's imagine I had something to ask, but I didn't want to write a long message, and I simply wanted to put my recording. All I would do is I would paste all that code into my forum. Here it is. And if I click save, this has now gone into my forum, and in a second we'll actually be able to see it. I will delete it in a second again because it won't obviously make much sense to anybody right now. Look, how cool is this? So now if I click play, let me move my microphone again so you can hear the message again. I'm now clicking play again. Here we go. Hello, this is Chris Farrell. I'm just making a very quick test recording message using Audio Boo, and I hope that you can hear this okay. Isn't that cool? I'm just actually going to delete this because, as I say, this was just for the sake of this video to show you how easy it is to do. So that is it. I wanted to show you how very simple it is to record an audio message, and once you've got that using Audio Boo, how you can either embed it on Facebook or add it to a forum post or indeed add it to your website. But it can save you an awful lot of time, particularly if you want to discuss something in detail with somebody. Rather than spending 20 minutes writing an email, you might just want to record a message and then, as you've just seen, use that message to give to that person. Okay, I hope that has helped, and I'll talk to you soon. This is Chris Farrell. Speak to you later. Bye-bye.